Today we set foot in Tokyo DisneySea for the very first time.
I think we found our favorite area.
It's the perfect place for Skylar to run around. Where magic meets the sea and family memories are waiting to be made. Our names are Nat, Max, and baby Skylar, and we're a little family enjoying our first trip to Japan. We've checked Tokyo Disneyland off our bucket list in the last video, and today's adventure brings us to its nautical counterpart, Tokyo DisneySea.
Good morning from a beautiful day here at Tokyo DisneySea.
It's our first time visiting Tokyo DisneySea, and it looks really good and big.
Yeah, and different, right? Nothing like any other theme park that we've been. Right now we're just staring at the volcano at the center of the park, where there's just like blue skies with no clouds.
It's also a cold weather today, around 10 degrees Celsius, but it's a good thing that there's sunshine so we can stay a little bit warm under the sun. It has only been a minute, but we've met a lot of Disney characters. They're just roaming around freely in the park.
It's Pluto.
It's Pluto!
Yeah, since it's still opening time, I feel like they're just greeting everyone inside.
There's no lineup, so you can freely hug them and take a photo with them. We just hop on our first ride because it's just a 5-minute wait.
So this is the Disney Transit Streamer Line, which takes us from the Mediterranean Harbor to the Lost River Delta. It's a ride, but it's also a transit system to get around the park, and you get a nice view of the entirety of the park. So kind of like the railroad that we were into in Disneyland, right?
Yeah, the train. I think it's also a nice ride during the middle of the day if you're tired walking around the park. You can just sit down, relax, and enjoy the view. Skylar's nap time is just around the corner, so she's a little bit drowsy now.
Yeah, and especially with this music going on. Anytime now, Skylar. So you'll notice that the two Disney theme parks here in Tokyo are based on land and sea, and I think it's very fitting that they put a Little Mermaid area in Tokyo DisneySea. I think we found our favorite area.
Yeah, it's the perfect place for Skylar to run around.
Skylar is clearly enjoying this place. This place is called like King Triton's Kingdom, and I think they really designed this for the younger audience like Skylar. You have a baby play area. I think there's lots of like kid-friendly rides in here. So I think it's only right that this is the first area that we brought Skylar to here in DisneySea.
Oh my gosh. It sounds so fun and lively here because they're playing the Little Mermaid background music. Since it's winter and it's cold outside, I think this is the perfect place to be with the baby since it's indoor and covered. Also, when it's sunny and hot and rainy outside, this is the perfect place to be with your baby.
Also here at the Little Mermaid area is probably the nicest changing room and nursing room that we've seen. It's all themed to Little Mermaid, so Skylar is loving all of the bubbles, all of the imagery in here. And how cute are these like changing booths? Before we dive back into the magic of Tokyo DisneySea, I want to thank our longtime friends and sponsors of the channel, BetterHelp. Our day at DisneySea is all about adventure and creating unforgettable moments as a family. It reminds us that life is full of challenges and goals to achieve, just like planning a trip, just like this one. Which, believe me, it's a bit trickier with the little one.
We lost Skylar.
I think we lost Skylar. And sometimes we just need a little extra support to navigate through those ups and downs. BetterHelp is an online therapy platform that can connect you with licensed therapists who are ready to help you unlock your full potential. Whether you're working towards a personal goal, facing challenges, or simply want someone to talk to, BetterHelp is here to help and offer guidance and encouragement. A game changer compared to regular therapy is you can access BetterHelp from the comfort of your home. You can schedule sessions around your busy life and communicate with your therapist. So to get started, visit betterhelp.com/natandmax to get 10% off your first month. Thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to Tokyo DisneySea. So right across Triton's kingdom is we found ourselves in the Arabian Coast, which kind of feels like we've been transported to the Book of Aladdin.
Magic carpet. Dad, add to cart.
This is coming with us.
Oh my gosh, it's a big, giant neck pillow.
We're ready to go home, ma'am. So even if we can't ride a lot of rides here in Disneyland like before, due to the baby, we can always find something new to have fun with. Like for example, we've been enjoying going around the shops and checking out some of the merch of Disney.
Someone's Skylar's not tired.
Yeah, let her sleep.
We lost Skylar.
I think we lost Skylar. We've been looking for years since coming here to the Disney resorts, but I think most of the ears that we've seen so far are like more catered to female, for women. A lot sparklier than what I'm looking for. So maybe, hopefully we're gonna pick up something up before we leave.
This brings back a lot of memories from our Disney Orlando trip, where they have this Morocco-inspired pavilion in Epcot where you can walk through the marketplace. And that was way back 2019.
Feels so long ago now, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a trip to Florida is due now.
Yeah, to refresh our memory.
Actually, now that I realize, that might be one of the reasons why we love Disney so much. Aside from delivering so many great movies throughout these years that we've grown up watching, we kind of love also that we can travel from one place to another and have the same experience without the hassle of like flying, walking, transportation, and of course, expensive flights. Since Skylar is sleeping, we get to play a little bit and ride some of the more extreme rides. Max has stayed with Skylar, just sat down somewhere. And me and Abby, me and Ninong Martin are going for our first ride, first roller coaster ride. It was very fast. Too fast. This one's still sleeping. So after riding the Raging Spirits, the gang has started to get a little bit hungry, so we just grabbed some snacks off of one of the shops here. And we heard this is one of the more popular snacks here in Tokyo DisneySea. Is that right?
Yeah. This one, smoked chicken leg.
Yeah.
Quite popular like the turkey leg in Disneyland.
Yeah, so this one is 600 yen. I also got the tapioca drink, which I think is a sparkling mango drink. This is around 500 yen. It's a bit greasy. There you go. Oops. Very good. I think it's barbecue or smoked. It's juicy and super soft.
Skylar, this is for you. Ah. Why does it taste like hot dog?
Yeah, for some reason, the chicken tastes like a hot dog.
It's really refreshing, especially it's a hot day today. Well, not really hot, it's a sunny day, but the wind is cold. We noticed that there's a lot of rides that are closed for improvements, especially this popular one, the Indiana Jones. We're sad, but I guess that's more reason to come back to Japan. Oh, thank you! Thank you, this is so nice!
Japanese.
Oh, yeah. So nice! Arigatou gozaimasu!
It's your sticker!
Get your sticker! Oh no! Yay!
So this little one just woke up right on time for the first visit sticker.
Yeah! So we got the English and the Japanese version of Skylar's name.
Yeah?
Yeah!
So you remember in Disneyland California, we got the first visit button and we got the first visit sticker yesterday on
Yes.
Disneyland.
Yeah.
So this one is the first visit sticker for
DisneySea.
Tokyo DisneySea.
We'll put it in your collection, Skylar.
So the eating continues here at the park, and after having the chicken leg, we are about to have some treats. This is one of the more iconic ones here in the park. Well, iconic everywhere there's Disneyland. The Mickey Mouse classic churros. Skylar, you didn't even wait for me.
You're taking too long, Daddy. I'm already doing the taste test. Not taste. Eat, eat, eat.
Eat. Oh no. Looks like this baby isn't going to be sleeping tonight. Okay. Just a little bit of sugar, not too much.
What's the verdict?
Did you get the fast pass? So one of these days, when a random thought comes into your mind, what it's like to be inside a living volcano? Well, you can come here to Tokyo DisneySea and see what it's like. It's actually the main centerpiece of this park. This huge volcano in the middle of the park is called Journey to the Center of the Earth, and it's the most popular ride here in the park.
Since the attraction was so popular, we had to wait in a long line for about 2 hours. But the wait made the ride even more exciting in the end.
Meanwhile,
This little one was also having the best time back in King Triton's kingdom. She may have gotten the better end of the deal. Well played, Skylar. But even before dusk, we all had a spectacular time dancing and grooving with Mickey and friends at the center of the park. Capping off yet another magical day and creating core memories as a family. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you in Tokyo!